Welcome back to day 2 of Inktober. Remember, you're creating art with artists all around the world. It's so exciting right now. So by the time you've reached this class period, you should have brainstormed your idea and made sure that you have your 2 sketches complete. If you are absent or you're new to class today, make sure you scroll up in this project write-up or ask a classmate or your teacher what you missed so that you can get caught up. So you're going to watch this video below first. This video right here is going to talk to you about 3 words that you need to know how to do this project well. And your teacher will show this in class after I finish this video here. So you are going to define line quality, contour lines, and cross contour lines in your sketchbook. 3 words, that's it. Those are the big things you need to know for this project. So you want to make sure that you jot those down, and when your teacher is showing you this video, that you think about listening out for those 3 words, and you're going to be able to see visuals of what those are in here. So you're going to do that so you can learn about those things, and that's going to help you create your piece. And then you're going to select 3 of the 9 pen textures that I'm about to show you, and you're going to recreate 3 of those in your sketchbook. You can use whatever type of pen you're going to use for the project, whether it is a fine point Sharpie, a regular pen, whatever you're going to use is perfectly fine. Okay, so you're going to watch this, and then you're going to select 3. So I have 9 here, but I want you to think about for your project, like if I was going to do that hourglass, I might pick this as one of my textures. This is called stippling, where it's little dots. So lots of dots closer together would create a darker value, like a shading. Less dots farther apart would be lighter, like less shading. Because when we're using pen, we can't make it lighter and darker. We have to create a texture to go with that. I love this little scribbling. It's really fun. It might not work for my hourglass piece, but if you're doing something that you feel like it would work with, try it. It's really amazing. You have hatching here, circles. These are really cool, like if you're doing vans, like that bottom texture of your shoe would be really cool to do. But there's really anything. Like I could create a texture with the letter A, and just lots of A's close together would be dark, less A's farther apart would be lighter. It's completely up to you. So I want you to pick 3 of these, or create your own 3, and just do a small square in your sketchbook about the size of the bottom of a bottle of water, and I want you to fill that in with your pen. Practice and make sure you understand how to create areas of light and dark, which is value in your piece. After you do that, you are going to select one of the spheres that I have listed below here, and I have some images for you to look at, and you are going to practice creating that with one of those textures. Okay, so let's say I did these 3 as my textures. I'm going to do one of these spheres. Okay, let's say, like I said, for my hourglass, I know I'm going to use stippling in the sand that's going to fall through. So maybe I use this and I create this stippling. So you can see as I did this one, I drew the circle in pencil, and then I used my pen to do all the little dots to make it look like a sphere. Notice it's all pen, it's all dots, but by using the technique with the pen textures of lots of dots closer together, I make it darker. Less dots farther apart, I make it lighter. So my light source would be coming from over here, so it's lighter, and then it's getting darker, and then you see the shadow. So you're going to just do one of these just to see if you can do that. Make sure that you practice that with more than just a square, but creating something that looks more 3D and more realistic. So today, class period 2 is about practicing with the media. All right. If you get done with these things and you're like, okay, I still have some time, I want to see what this will look like, go back up to your sketches and practice on your sketch with your pen. Don't practice on the final piece, right? Practice in your sketchbook. That's what it's for. So keep that in mind. So again, day 2, we're working on practicing with the pen. When this video is over, your teacher's going to show you this one right here, and you're going to learn about those 3 words: line quality, contour, and cross contour lines that are really going to help you make your piece look more realistic. You're going to define those 3 words, create 3 of these in your sketchbook, again just about the size of the bottom of a bottle of water, and then you're going to create one of these. Make sure you show that to your teacher so you can get your grade for today, and so that he or she can see that you're grasping the skills and learning how to do this. All right, good luck. I will join you for class 3 next time.